Welcome to Nanjing. As the capital of Jiangsu Province, a sub-provincial city, a megacity, and the core city of the Nanjing Metropolitan Circle, it is nestled along the Yangtze River and serves as the Yangtze River International Shipping and Logistics Center, one of China's four great ancient capitals and a vital birthplace of Chinese civilization. It is renowned as the ancient capital of 6 dynasties and the capital of 10 dynasties, earning the reputations of pivot of Chinese civilization and premier academy of the Southeast. Nanjing enjoys a strategically superior location, serving as a key transportation hub connecting northern and southern China. Modern skyscrapers stand in beautiful contrast to historic landmarks like the Ming City walls, while industries such as technology, finance, and manufacturing thrive here. With its profound historical heritage and vibrant spirit, Nanjing attracts visitors as a bridge between China's past and future.